Hello, welcome to Flower Juice. My name is John McDonald, and today we're going to make a simple video. And I have to say, this wasn't my idea. I was just scrolling through Instagram, which I very rarely use, to be honest, and I came across a little video, and it was how to make a carnation look like a Lisianthus. And I saw it, and I thought, yeah, is that really useful? And then I had some carnations, so I thought I'll give it a go. So today we're going to have a little go at doing this, but also make a quick little arrangement with our fake Lisianthus. So sometimes having these little ideas up your sleeve is a really good thing to have because we never know when we're going to maybe be short of a flower or have to not dodge something, but basically work out a little solution for a problem. So what we do is we take our carnation, and we've got quite a full head, and then we just take a pinch of the centre and take out these petals. And as you can see, this now looks more like a different type of flower. So really, when you see it side by side with a Lisianthus, it really does look like a Lisianthus. So I'm just going to do that again. So I've got quite a strong grip of these centre petals, and we're just pulling them out. Now, we're not wanting to break them, we're just wanting to remove them completely and make this open flower effect. So don't be scared just to really grip it. And you can see straight away, this is quite a difference with our flowers. Now, this has actually got a little marked petal. And I think sometimes people are a little bit scared of altering flowers or handling flowers. And really don't be. You just need to be confident that what you're doing makes sense and is working for what you want it to be. Now, if you were using this for a function, you might be able to make use of these petals. Use them for scattering or for confetti as well. So I can't really give credit to the person that I saw had done this because I can't remember who they are, but thank you for showing us. And I gave it a go and it works. So I was really, really happy about that. Now, I'm only going to use 3 of these flowers. And for our arrangement, I'm going to use kenzan in a little dish. So the first thing I need to do is add water. So kenzan, if you don't know, is basically a metal base that has pins in it. And if you get them from Japan, then they're really the best quality. They use copper pins. You'll have it for a lifetime. There's lots of choices. We actually have an affiliate link that I'll post in the description for this video, and you can have a little look. And that would give you 10% off your first purchase if you were interested. But I have to say, they are really useful for having in your toolbox. So I've got a little bit of variegated iris here, and this is just going to give us our structure or give a backbone to showing off the flowers. And I'm just having a feel of our flowers to see which is the strongest, which is the best. So this one I really like. I'm going to take off a little bit of foliage at the base. And just come in with this central flower. So really this is going to be a front-facing arrangement. And as I say, we're just making a simple arrangement. So really just a small dish, nothing fancy. The second placement, I'm going to stage it so that we've got really this kind of idea. You can take a little bit more out of there just to make it more flower Lisianthus-like. Now, when you're placing your flowers, you want to just take care that you're placing them to best effect. And what do I mean by that? I'm basically saying you're looking at the way that the flower faces. So if I face it so that it faces down, it's not particularly happy. So if it has a little bit of a uplifted face and it's looking towards you, then that's really the best way to showcase that flower. Now, does this need anything else? I really didn't want to make anything that was overly complicated. And I actually think that that is just all we need to do. So really today, I was just wanting to show this idea and share it and say that I'd given it a go and that I really thought it worked quite well. And carnations get a little bit of a bad rap. Some people are not so keen on them, but this is just a different way to use them. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have and you could give us a like, that would be great. If you can share the video and subscribe, that's even better. It would really help our channel. Now, we've got new videos on a regular basis. We'd love you to join us for our next video. But until then, take care and we hope to see you soon.